Life in the city can get very tiring, hectic, and monotonous at times. So every now and then, step out, take some time off for yourself, and soak up some peace and quiet. इसी शांति और सुकून को ढूंढते ढूंढते हम पहुंचे एट द वेरी फेमस माउंटेन रिसॉर्ट मल्हार मची. Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. I'm right now at a resort called as Mhallar Machi. Now I've heard a lot about this place, but it's a little further from Mumbai, so it never featured in our weekend getaway plans. Finally, we have decided to come here. This place is actually very close to Pune. It's in a place called as Mulshi. Now, amongst the different things that I've heard about this property, one thing that I've always heard from everyone is that it has very great location, and rightly so. This resort is located in the backdrops of Sahyadri Mountains and Mulshi backwaters. Now this resort has different categories of rooms, but I was particular about one thing, that I wanted a room with the best possible view. So I have booked the Scenic Maharaja room, and the view from here is just awesome. Now coming from Mumbai, there are different route options and the resort will help you in choosing the best possible route to reach here. But whichever route you take, the last 10 minutes to reach this resort is kind of ubad-khabad, but once you reach here, it's complete greenery. Once we checked in, we directly went for our lunch, and it's buffet system over here. The lunch was delicious, the in-house restaurant was really good, and it was quite a relaxing time. In this video, I'm going to be taking you around the property, showing you the food, services, amenities and everything. And towards the end of this video, I will be giving you a review of how my stay was and of course the costing and everything. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. But before we proceed into the room tour, I would highly appreciate if you guys could just take a second and click that red subscribe button below and the bell icon next to it. Let's go. As soon as you enter the room, first thing you will notice is the sofa and the monumental shape made on the wall with the designs of a palace. Even the large bed beside it has a feel of staying in a palace, but a cozy one. Two bedside tables with adequate space to store your stuff and a small seating arrangement on the other side. There is a full-size mirror on the opposite side of the bed just next to the cupboard where you can keep your luggage. Though the room reflects an old worldly charm, they have given all the amenities needed for a comfortable stay. I simply love the detailing done on the tiles of the washroom. Gives an antique yet luxurious vibe, especially with all the arch made on the walls everywhere. I just love the architecture of this room. Now, I'm going to show you the best part of this room. my god, this scenic view of the gigantic mountains and the large backwater is amazing. And to enjoy this view with a cup of coffee, there is a swing and a rocking chair in the balcony amongst the colorful plants around. Isn't that just the perfect weekend setting? शाम को थोड़ा सा धूप ढलने के बाद we decided to go around and explore the property and also go for the high tea which is included in their list of itineraries. A little color around us. Isn't that what we all look for in our holidays? Lots to walk around and every area done up so beautifully. Now I wonder why I didn't come here earlier. With slight music playing in the background everywhere you go in the property, this place has a way of calming your senses. Heading to the high tea, there are many activities to enjoy like horse riding, farm visit, zip lining, tractor ride, and many more. So we have come out here for high tea. High tea is in this very open place. It is so calm and there is flute playing in the background which is totally matching the vibe. I was just thinking कि high tea में क्या special होगा, but it's just this whole atmosphere and हल्का wind है and it's just so peaceful. I'm absolutely loving it. I have just ordered for a bhel now and I'm waiting for it. Right now we are sitting in this jhula and I'm having my Nimbo Sharbat. It's just so nice. The flute is still playing in the background and we can hear some birds.
It's very nice. It's very calm and that wo Mumbai ke crowd and everything say this is like the best place to
actually
come and just
unwind.
Yep.
बहुत ही meditative लग रहा है यहाँ पे बैठ के and you just feel like sitting here for hours and hours together. अभी हम लोग रेडी हो गए हैं. We are just going to have our dinner. So the dinner timings and everything are pretty strict. Right now the time is a little past 8. यहाँ पे I think it is open only till 10:30. So I'm excited for the fact that this is going to be an open place. So it's actually going to be dining under the stars, which sounds pretty exciting. I just hope कि everything is good over there and कोई problem ना हो मच्छर वच्छर का and all that. Lights of course कम होने वाले हैं, I'm sure, but I will try my best to capture as much as possible. I'm quite excited and I just hope कि food अच्छा हो because I'm starving right now. Dining in open with live music and lights is an experience that was totally worth it. Spread, though, was not too big, but it was sufficient to ensure a good meal. Later on, they also started the bonfire, which just made everything so cozy. Next day breakfast was served in the same in-house restaurant as the previous day lunch. Breakfast was mostly Indian cuisine and was tasty as well. There was also live singing and Carnatic music, which was the perfect way to begin the day. So we are now back to our room and it's almost time to say goodbye to this gorgeous view. I just thought I'll give you guys a quick summary of how my entire stay was. I enjoyed my stay. Like, I really loved it over here. Staying amidst the nature and the sound of the birds. It's the perfect getaway from the city life. I loved the view from this room. They have different categories of rooms. This being the Scenic Maharaja room, they have the view of the Mulchi Dam and the Sahyadri Mountains, which is just gorgeous. The other rooms, which is the premium room and the Bougainvillea cottages, they have garden view, which will be equally beautiful because they have these nice orchids and they have different plants and flowers, which just makes this place very colorful and very pleasing. There is a sense of peace over here. So if you are coming here, you can either opt for any of these rooms, but I would really suggest to opt for Scenic Maharaja room. You are not going to regret this. The room kind of gives you that Maharaja wala vibes. I especially liked how spacious it is and how it is made. I like those small detailing on the tiles and all that. It just shows a lot of attention to details and it really makes you feel nice staying in such rooms. Now coming to the property is quite huge. They have different services, different amenities. They have a pool, they have spa, they have gaming zone, they have farm visit and they have horse riding. If you are into adventure sports, they have zip line and night trekking. Anywhere you go in the property, there is a light music playing in the background. I don't know if the mic is able to capture it, but there is a slight music playing even now, which is just making the whole experience very enjoyable. And during all the meals, they try and give you different experiences. Like I showed you, the high tea was a very calming experience. The dinner was dining under the stars, so they go out of the way to make sure that you have a full-fledged experience. Also, they don't have any room service, probably because of the place and the location where you are just like among the nature. So they don't want rodents to come into the room, so probably that's why they don't encourage you to have any meals inside the room. Also, there is no Wi-Fi in the room as such. Now this can be a positive or a negative thing. Also, phone networks can be a little patchy in the whole of the resort depending on what service provider you have. Like, I did not have any issue at all. I was getting full signal everywhere, so that's probably the reason why no Wi-Fi also did not bother me much. Now coming to the food, all of it was included in our package itself, so all of them were buffet. In case you don't want to have buffet, you can opt for a la carte at extra charges, of course. Though the buffet tasted good, the food quality, everything was good, I would just say that the options were quite limited, especially in non-veg, which was not really something that bothered us that much because it did not feel that the food was really less. Now coming to the tariff of our room, as I said, this is the Scenic Maharaja room, so it costed us 15,500 per night. Now these are the weekday rates. Weekend rates are of course a little bit higher. I think considering how spacious the room is and how amazing the view is, and plus all meals included, I think this package is kind of justified. I think overall this place is a really good place if you want to just come and relax. You can either go for these adventures and explore the property, or you can just sit in your balcony or your veranda and just enjoy the view. They have a swing, they have rocking chair, and it's the perfect way to de-stress. If you have any further queries, you can let me know in the comment section. I will try answering them. If you guys have enjoyed today's video, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Until we meet again, stay tuned. Bye.